Andrea Ardiles went right to work as a civil engineer after she graduated from Georgia Tech in 2012, but it wasn't long before she pulled in a new direction. Now she's running LearningGoal, a nonprofit she founded to build schools in Peru, and she's with me from Lima, Peru, to talk about her work. Hi, Andrea.
Hi, Josh.
So why build schools, which is what this group does, and why in Peru?
Education is the cornerstone for progress, mainly for any society, for any country, and it's the way to transform lives. In our case, we see that the number one problem that Peru has, in our opinion, is education. And building schools would be like that foundation to start improving the education system in our country.
What kind of success have you had so far?
In less than a year, we were able to build in. We started with one school one classroom actually, in Ventanilla, Peru. We had another classroom opening in June, and now we're building our third project, our biggest project so far, which is a new school in Cerro de Puquio, Peru. And we can see how much now we get more like people just coming to us, knocking our doors and saying, "Hey, could you please take a look at our community and check it out and see how you can like help us build a classroom or a school."
Tell me a little bit about the educational challenges in Peru. I mean, what's it like? What is the obstacle that you're up against?
Well, currently, Peru places 141 out of 144 countries in math and science, and 138 out of 144 in primary education quality. So we are, unfortunately, very, very low worldwide. The reasons for there's many causes for this. It's not a simple problem, and there are many buts and ifs, but we have really found like what we do, we're seeing that whatever that this change that has to be done, it has to be hand in hand with the community. Like we have to be there, ground, like shoulder to shoulder, working with them and showing them how important it is to prioritize education. We're trying to establish a model where we're going to be able to replicate it in different areas, and this is what we're currently working as in the construction area as well. And this is where Georgia Tech comes in hand perfectly, because as a civil, it just goes pretty well with what I've learned in school and now what I'm applying to, but for the social development sector.
You've just been working on a crowdfunding campaign, and your goal was to build 10 schools that would serve 750 children. You didn't quite make that goal, but I wonder what's next for you guys.
That's our 2015 end of the year goal. So far, we have funding for three projects, for three new projects, which we're excited about. So we're still going to be working. We're still going to be looking for more. And what we're focused on most is that the community is impacted on our work.
Andrea Ardiles, founder of LearningGoal, thank you so much for your time today.
Thanks to you, Joshua.